Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekend prep video. I hope you guys are ready for a motivating video this weekend. I am going to be focusing on decorating my daughter's room. She is out of town this weekend, and so I thought that I would redecorate it while she was gone so she could come back and have an awesome surprise. I am also going to be doing some cooking and cleaning, so let's get started. So I'm starting this video on Saturday evening, and the first thing that we are going to do is cook dinner. Thank you so much to Muscatine for sponsoring this week's weekend prep video. You guys know I love their products and I've been working with them for a long time, but I am super excited to be showcasing their awesome chef's knife again today. You guys have been seeing me use my Muscatine knives in almost all of my cooking videos, probably for almost the past year, and I have to say their knives are super good quality and you can really get them at a good price. Their knives are made from premium materials like high-grade stainless steel. This does help them stay sharper longer and last a lifetime, and the best part is that Muscatine is 2 to 3 times less expensive than other premium knife brands that you can get. The Muscatine chef's knife actually has over 7,500 5-star reviews, both from professionals who make their livings working in kitchens to first-time home chefs and everyone in between. So many of you have reached out to me saying that you love your Muscatine knife. So if you haven't gotten one yet, I will leave a link in the description box below. You guys can check that out. Use promo code JEN for 20% off your first order. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can get your chef's knife for 20% off your first order by using promo code JEN. So you can see that I'm using my knife today to cut and chop all of my toppings for my tacos. You saw me chopping up some tomatoes and some onions. Right now I'm chopping up some cilantro and adding that to the onion, and I'm going to give my ground beef a stir. I'm also going to chop up some lettuce. This knife definitely does pass the tomato test. If you can slice a tomato without tearing it, you know that it's a sharp knife. Here are my toppings for our tacos. This was such a delicious dinner. It hit the spot. I know that I make tacos a lot, but honestly, it's a family favorite. So Connor had his in a bowl with Doritos. We call that a walking taco. And then the rest of us had just regular flour tortillas. I'm just fixing up Adam's here with some cheese, sour cream, cilantro, onion, and some hot sauce. Really delicious dinner. Now we're gonna get started on the redecorating. Okay, so she does have the smallest bedroom in the house. However, she does have a bathroom, so that is part of it. But here are some of the things that I got to decorate with. I did get her a new shower curtain, bath mat, towels. I also picked up this faux plant from Amazon. Many of these things I ordered on Amazon, so I'll link them all down below. I have some different art prints that I ordered, some twinkle lights, an organizer for her jewelry, some wall racks, a lamp, another print, and then I do have some additional things downstairs that Adam's gonna put together for me. I picked up a few decor items at Walmart earlier. Some bathroom decor. I really love this. I hope she likes it. It's a neon umbrella. And then I also got her new curtains. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is kind of just remove all of the clutter. So any trash, pick that up, straighten up the desk, pick up the dirty clothes, get those washed. This bookcase over here is gonna go in this corner right here. I'm gonna redo this wall behind her desk. And then I do have a nightstand that's gonna go over here. I have a lamp to go on that. And then I have some art that I'm gonna redo her walls with. Okay, so I worked on this corner over here. I need to bring the vacuum in here because it's quite dusty, but I'm gonna dust off this cube shelf here, and then I can decide what I wanna put on here. Okay, so I emptied out this black bookcase and moved it over here because in this corner right here is where the nightstand is gonna go. So right now I'm just dusting the shelves and I'm gonna put those back and rearrange that. All right, so you can see the evening is progressing. It's getting a little bit darker out. I'm gonna go ahead and switch her curtains out. I knew that she wasn't a huge fan of these purple curtains, so I got her new ones. And before I put the new ones on, I did clean off the windows with some glass cleaner. I just picked up these white curtains at Walmart. They are light blocking, so that is super fun. And now I'm going to start on this collage wall. This was so fun to make and it turned out so good. I would definitely recommend this if you guys have a teen room you're looking to redo. I'm very happy with how this collage wall turned out. So let me explain it a little bit more to you in case you are interested in replicating this. But essentially I got this idea. There's a website called Tezza, T-E-Z-Z-A, and they make these collage kits. Well, I didn't really have time to order from them and wait for shipping. I wanted it from Amazon so I could do it this weekend. So what I ended up doing was ordering these sort of like knockoff kits from Amazon. They come in boxes of 50 and it's basically just like photo prints. And so what you do is you stick them on the wall in a collage, and I used both painter's tape and then like double stick foam adhesive. So I basically started with the pink print in the middle and then built out from there. So I'm gonna kind of let this marinate for a little bit and see if this is how I like it. But what I'm planning to do is leave this here on this wall. Nightstand will go there, lamp, and then we're gonna do some vines, these vines with lights over the bed. But anyway, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Honestly, I think it's super cool. I think Kira's gonna love it. All right, so now it's the next morning and I'm gonna go ahead and make her bed. She was coming home at about 1 o'clock today, so I wanted to make sure that I had everything done prior to that. And now I'm going to hang up her shower curtain. I love that shower curtain, it's so pretty. All right, so it is done. I'm ready to show you guys the completed room. So I think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with everything, and like I said, I'll link everything down below in case you guys find anything that you want to replicate. These are prints here I ordered on Amazon. They were honestly pretty inexpensive and I thought it would be a good wall filler. This hamper we've already had for a long time. These stacking bins I actually picked up at Walmart. They were I think around $9.99 each. I just think they're a good way to conceal things. And then on this wall over here, I bought these wire racks on Amazon along with the clips, and I just think it's a neat way to kind of display like photos and things on the wall without a bulletin board. And then I also ordered her a new desk chair because the one that we had was pretty old and it was like the upholstery was stained and stuff. So this one I ordered, and I like that it's kind of white and it doesn't take up as much space as the other one, so that's really nice. And then I left her Hamilton poster up here from when we went to the musical. These twinkle lights right here I ordered on Amazon. It's a very long strand. It goes all the way from over here up above and then over on this side as well. These bins I got at Walmart, just pink bins. And then this plant I got at Walmart, this little gold geo thing, Walmart, and then this came from Trader Joe's. And then I just kind of reorganized her little cube bookshelf there. I'm not sure if she wants to keep all that stuff. If there's some stuff she wants to pass on to someone else, we can do that. So that's her desk, and I think that she will definitely like that. That's where she spends most of her time drawing or playing video games or whatever. And then I'm super happy with how this collage wall turned out. It turned out even better than I thought it was going to. I don't think I showed you guys the mirror in the middle, but this is just like a moon shaped, like a crescent shaped mirror that I bought on Amazon, and it came with these vines. So I just stuck it kind of to the middle as like a focal point. And then these vines I put up last night. I don't have a link to these because these were a gift. I don't know if I did it right. Like I've never hung these up before. So basically I just have like command hooks on the top. I have one vine stretched across in between them, and then I just used a stapler to attach the vines like hanging down, and then I put on the twinkle lights that came with it, and then the switch for those is right there. So that's kind of how you can turn them on and off, but I think that turned out really cool. The bed we already had. She got this bed I think maybe last year at some point. It's a Nectar mattress. You can order the mattress and the headboard, everything comes together. I would highly recommend it. I'll link their site down below. They're pretty inexpensive too. This comforter we've had for a little bit. Got that at Sam's, and then I think this pillow I got at Sam's also. I got it for her for Christmas. This is like a little mushroom pattern pillow that I got on Etsy for her for Christmas. This little nightstand I ordered on Amazon, so it was pretty inexpensive. This faux marble lamp I got on there also, and then she's got her alarm clock there. The cool thing about this night table is that It has a USB port in it, so you can actually charge your device, which is pretty cool. And then it has a little drawer. It has some space so she can store stuff down there if she wants. And then I just really like the way that faux plant turned out. I don't know, I just think it gives a little bit of greenery in here. Up on the top here, I got that rainbow at Walmart, and then she's got some faux succulents here, her books, and then more stuffed animals. I don't know if she's gonna want to keep all of those or not. And then I decided to just put this lamp right here because her light fixture isn't all that bright. You can't really tell now because it's daytime outside, but when it's dark, it tends to be a little bit darker in here. So I thought it would be nice for her to just have this lamp in here, and I thought that it went perfectly there between the two windows. Curtains I just got at Walmart. They're just plain white, which honestly I think looks a lot better. The ones that were in here were like a really dark purple, and although they were very light blocking, they made the room seem a lot smaller. So anyway, I'll let you guys know what she thinks when she comes home, but I'm super satisfied with how everything turned out. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys some before and after clips of how much this room transformed. I didn't even really have to do that much in terms of like repainting. In fact, I didn't repaint the room at all, but it just turned out so awesome. I love this like teen aesthetic we've got going on here. I know I'm trying to be cool, but wait in a few clips and you'll see Kira's reaction when she gets home. She actually just like walks in the room, like her jaw drops open, and then she turns around and walks out and comes to tell me thank you. But anyway, I really love how it turned out, and all of the links for the products will be down below. You guys saw me put this shower curtain up. I really, really like it. I was looking for something that was decorative but not too like girly or juvenile, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And so I thought this was like the perfect aesthetic. Is that what they're saying now? And then of course I got her new bath mat. I did order some new towels. This print, oh, it's actually a canvas, I guess. I got it on Amazon. I think it goes really well with the shower curtain. And then I picked up these new soap dispenser and toothbrush holder. And then I got her this jewelry organizer. This top of this is magnetic, so it just kind of magnetizes onto there, and then you can hang all like your bracelets and necklaces and earrings. I thought that was really neat. So yeah, overall, like I said, super happy with how everything turned out, and I can't wait to surprise her. She should be home shortly. Did you look at your bathroom?
Oh, I saw the shopping cake. Pretty.
All right, so it is what, about 3 o'clock now, and I need to post a video today, so I'm just working on finishing up the thumbnail and I'm gonna get that posted. All right, so I got my video posted and I'm going to cook dinner. So tonight we are going to do some Trader Joe's orange chicken and kung pao chicken, and so I'm going to make some rice to go with that. I like making brown rice in the oven. I just have some brown rice in here, some salt, butter, and then I pour in some boiling water. Stir this up, put foil over it, and bake it for about 45 minutes. This recipe is in my cookbook. Okay, so here's what I'm making with the rice. So I have some orange chicken, some kung pao chicken, some broccoli, and some pot stickers. Okay, so here is the kung pao chicken. We have never had this particular meal from Trader Joe's before, so hopefully it's good. I just sauteed the chicken and the veggies until they were cooked through, and then I'm gonna add the sauce and the peanuts. Everything kind of comes separately in the bag, so that's kind of cool. And then my baked brown rice is done here. You just want to let that sit uncovered for about 5 minutes after you fluff it to make sure that it doesn't get soggy. And then I'm fixing my pot stickers here, and then over here in the air fryer I have the orange chicken. Here's my plate. I have some broccoli, pot stickers, some rice, and some kung pao chicken. Broccoli, very exciting. The kung pao chicken from Trader Joe's actually turned out really good. I would definitely recommend it. I'm not always a big kung pao chicken fan, but that's delicious. Here's what's left of the orange chicken. rice, and then a few pot stickers. So after dinner, I am going to get the kitchen cleaned up. I'm just starting the dishwasher, and then I did have some dishes that I wanted to hand wash. Those just pile up, you know, throughout the weekend, and then I just have to rip the Band-Aid off and wash them all. But the only other thing that I did this evening was get my sink cleaned out, and then I also folded some laundry after I was done cleaning up the kitchen. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this weekend prep video. If you have any questions about the room redo, let me know in the comments below. It was super fun, and I'm looking forward to doing Connor's room next. So if you need some boy room inspiration, that will be coming. Thanks as always for your support, and don't forget to check out Misen. I'll have that link in the description box below if you guys want to pick up one of their knives. 20% off your first order using promo code JEN. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.